To withdraw dollars, euros, or Polish zloty, you need to have verified your account. If your account is already verified, go to the Wallets tab, select the currency of your interest, and click on Withdrawal. Following that, use the Bank Transfer button and enter the amount you wish to pay out. Alternatively, you can also use the Withdraw All feature. Next, enter the bank account number and the recipient's name, or select from the recipient's list. Following that step, enter the SWIFT code of the bank you're sending the money to and indicate whether it's a European-based bank or not. If you're sending funds to a location outside of Europe, you will need to provide the bank's name and address, including the postal or zip code, the city, and country. After you click Withdraw, you will need to enter a Google Authenticator code or a code sent to your email. A standard bank transfer will take up to 2 business days. If you wish to withdraw Polish zloty, you are physically in Poland and have a Polish phone number, you can also withdraw by ATM machine. If that's your preferred option, all you need to do is indicate the amount you wish to withdraw and provide your phone number. This feature does not work with non-Polish numbers and premium texts need to be enabled. You can save the number you entered to the recipients list for future use. After you select Withdraw and enter a Google Authenticator code or a code from your email, within a half hour you will receive your payment token as text message. The PIN code will be sent to your email. The withdrawal code is valid for 48 hours. Your funds can be withdrawn from any ATM supporting SkyCash withdrawals, such as Euronet ATMs. First select Cardless Withdrawal on the ATM display screen, then SkyCash, and finally Cash Withdrawal. Select the amount. Then enter the 6-digit code from the text and the PIN code from the email. Then confirm, collect your cash, and your confirmation.